बैक कैमरा से देना।
नहीं नहीं, मेरे को डर लग रहा है, मेरे को डर लग रहा है।
गुड मॉर्निंग अन्विता। Breakfast has been had. It's the next day. We booked Bana Hills because when we woke up, it was quite sunny. The plan was to wake up at 7:30. We ended up waking up at 9 because it's us. We really need to do something about our sleep. हम सुबह 7:30 बजे में भी कॉल करते तो 9-10 बजे तक हमारी कार आ जाती तो पिकअप अब अभी हमें कार के लिए रुकना पड़ेगा टिल 11:45 विच इज़ क्वाइट सम टाइम। अभी तो सिर्फ अभी कितना बज रहा है 10। सो वी हैव अनदर 45 minutes to get ready and everything, so we'll head upstairs, freshen up and then be ready to leave.
Last appointment.
We'll try and book a last appointment of the day for the massage for both of us. यहाँ पे स्विमिंग पूल भी था बट बिकॉज ऑफ आवर लेजीनेस वी हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू यूज दैट ईदर। नॉट लेजीनेस, नॉट वेकिंग अप ऑन योर टर्न। होटल बहुत मस्त है, खाना बहुत अमेजिंग था। लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट में आइटम्स देखो यार, हम लोग ने सारी चीज, बहुत मस्त होटल है। आई वुड रेकमेंड स्पेंडिंग 2000 rupees more to everyone while coming here and staying in this hotel. I'll do one tour of the breakfast. There is a widespread, काफी widespread. It's very, very, very nice. So we'll have the breakfast now, head up and finish our packing. Sorry, us packing ourselves in clothes. There are macaroons, pancakes, omelette live station. There is this thing that can be made out of all of these things put together, like a faux bowl. So much. Station also. And there is soup, there are sausages, bacon, tomatoes, more sausages, rice, noodles, some pan-fried beef, and again rice, cold cuts, cheese, sushi, all of this only for breakfast. Imagine. And we are on our way to Bana Hills. It's a good sunny day. It's quite sunny. You can see sun, a little bit of sun. It's a nice sunny day and we are happy that this is happening because yesterday it was raining and we were a little sad about that. If we are able to, if the boating also starts, it would be like a plus, but I don't think that will. If it does, great. We are planning to go tomorrow morning for the basket boat ride also. Hopefully everything happens. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Very excited, Bana Hills. Yay. I didn't ask you this yesterday. What do you think? What do you rate the entire Hoi An market?
Oh, the market, Hoi An market is the place for clothes shopping. The stalls also, the street stalls that we see, have very good quality of clothes. Like the ones you find in like a bigger premium brand, right? Those sort of qualities you'll find, like those sort of clothes you'll find at the street market. So whenever you are in Hoi An, please keep some amount, a large amount, so to say, for shopping. It's a great market. But yeah, I wish we could do like the lantern, the boating and the lanterns thing, but we couldn't yesterday.
Rating मांग रहा था 10 से 10 में से.
Sorry, okay. Rating was 9 on 10 on the Hoi An market.
Okay. For me, it was a little expensive. I felt I did not. What I felt was it. I mean, you could find similar pieces in a good store in India for similar pricing, if not more.
Yeah, bargaining is not happening.
Yeah, the bargaining does not happen over here. They just don't budge. So just a little bit of bargaining can be done, not more. For me, it was a 7 and a 5 because 7 for the entire shopping bit and a 5 for the entire experience of this part, because we could not enjoy the couple of things like banana boat, basket boat, and we haven't been able to see the lanterns bit for which people come from around the world. So those are the two misses. Otherwise great. We're doing a half-day tour to Bana Hills because we are late. Why not? Abhi पहुंच गए. It's nice and sunny. Like I was saying, we booked a half-day tour to Bana Hills. All set for Sun World Bana Hills. Anvita, how's it?
I thought we will not see this day.
All set, all set, all set. And we are heading for the cable car. First cable car that we'll be taking here. We'll have to do a ticket. There. And this is our first gondola ride in Vietnam. रुक जा. This one?
Yeah. When you arrive, just reach me there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bana, the hand bridge.
Yes. तभी तो therapist हूँ. लोगों के दुख सुनती हूँ, गुजरात की हिंदी.
Memory is low, but need to make most of it as much as possible. I'll try deleting old footages and try and record more. We have reached by this gondola. ऊपर अभी हम वो हैंड ब्रिज के यहाँ पे जाएंगे. फेमस हैंड ब्रिज है. बहुत कम गर्दी मिली हमें, which is a very good thing. And we are at the famous hand bridge. Made it, and with a very good weather.
Visibility.
Yes, with a lot of visibility. 3. And we found the best weather. I couldn't have asked for more. Just look at the view. It's a very kick-ass view. The two hands. There's no significance of the two hands. I don't know if there is one. I'll ask the tour guide. But it's crazy. It's pretty kick-ass. Anvita, Buddha के यहाँ पे अभी clouds हो रहे. We should go. There's the Buddha. We'll be heading there next. And we got a very good view of the pagoda. Beautiful view of the pagoda. A little bit of mist haze, but it's looking serene. Lovely. Just look at this. Amrita, what do you feel? We've come to the pagoda now. It's quite peaceful and serene. फुटवेयर उधर निकालना है ना. ऊपर जाते हैं ना, तो हम लोग ने बुद्धा देख लिया, गार्डन घूम लिए, एंड वील हेड टू द फ्रेंच विलेज. अब तक इट्स बीन नाइस. यहाँ पे एक रेस्टोरेंट भी है, मिशेलिन 2025, which is quite good. I wanted to go to a Michelin restaurant, but पता नहीं हमें मिलेगा कि नहीं चांस मिल जाने के लिए. It's a vegan restaurant though. Good fun till now. Lots of pictures. What do you think?
Very nice. I can smell pancake.
गोल्ड कॉइन केक उधर बन रहा है.
Yeah, class are all in.
Oh, there is a building up there. And we are in the clouds. So much fun.
You can only just work out the
This is so cool. Good vibe. Not Disneyland like, but like a little different. Quite beautiful. मस्त बना है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम डिज्नीलैंड टाइप एरिया में आए हैं. लोग कुछ भी बोले, इट इज वर्थ द मनी आई थिंक. बट अभी देखते हैं यहाँ पे राइड्स वगैरह क्या क्या है, क्योंकि दैट विल गेट अस इन द जोन. Anvita, are you excited about the Alpine coaster?
We did not get to do it in Switzerland. And we're doing it in mini Europe, which is in Vietnam.
Yes, so we are very excited because हमने स्विट्जरलैंड में प्लान किया था, पर हम काफ़ी दूर थे वो जगह से.
उधर गरीब.
हाँ, हम सभी गरीब भी थे थोड़े. काफ़ी गरीब थे. तो अभी थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आकर हमें एक्सपीरियंस करने में. It's almost like going through the clouds. You can see over there. वो देख. People are going through the clouds. It looks fun, though you can keep your own pace. Yeah, looks fun. मजा आ रहा है देखते हैं. This is the Alpine coaster. We are getting ready. Seems fun. People. No, it's not that fast or anything, but it seems fun. मजा आएगा ऐसा लग रहा है. Let's see. अगर वीडियो ले सकते तो हम डेफिनेटली लेंगे. एक्साइटेड, सुपर एक्साइटेड.
मेरे को डर लग रहा है. मेरे को डर लग रहा है. वो नीचे जा रहे हैं. अभी ऊपर.
पूरा उनका थोड़ा लंबा है. वो वापस ऊपर गया समझी घूमने के लिए. ओवरऑल Alpine coaster was fun. Really very good. मजा आ गया. अभी हम देखने जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे और क्या गेम्स है. अगर इंटरेस्ट रहेगा तो खोलेंगे या फिर यहाँ से निकल जाएंगे. पूरा ऐसे अम्यूजमेंट पार्क जैसा ही है, छोटा सा. सोविनियर शॉप्स है. सारे राइड्स ऑलमोस्ट पेड ही है. और इतना इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लग रहा है. काफी बोरिंग राइड है. We've done, हमने ये इससे बेटर किए हुए हैं, एंड उसके लिए अलग से पैसे देने के लिए मेरे को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. जुरासिक देखेगा. चल ये वाला जाते हैं. जुरासिक. अन्विता, डायनासोर इधर. ये भी सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए बनाया हुआ है, क्योंकि ये लोग के पास और कुछ है नहीं बनाया हुआ, ये टाइम पास में बना दिया वो लोग। इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है अलग अलग डायनासोर्स का, नॉट इवन श्योर इफ इट इज द राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन। फ्रॉम जुरासिक नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अ लिटिल लेटर पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। हमने ये सारे डायनासोर जुरासिक पार्क में देखे हैं। So, it is beautiful. I think it would have been even more prettier if there was a little bit lesser mist. But I think we got what we wanted. We didn't get rain. We've come at a perfect time. It's nice and cold, 21-25 degrees or something. So very, very good. It's been. Now we're going to a beer restaurant somewhere down there, 200 meters. वहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 बियर के वाउचर्स है. We'll use those. And फिर वहाँ से पता नहीं कहाँ जाना है. उसके बाद I think हो ही गया, अभी खत्म. There's nothing much. It just looks like place after place. There is a merry-go-round. Do you want the merry-go-round? No, we got the best merry-go-round already. So yeah. How much would you rate it, Amrita?
Very nice. I was not expecting this. So it's definitely 10 on 10 for me because we got to do something on this day. We were expecting kuch bhi hai. And there was sun as well as there is
Mist.
this mist which is creating this fantasy world ka thoda added bonus. So yeah, liking it.
Perfect. For me, it is 8 on 10.
Too bad.
What? Okay, so like I was saying, I think the entire experience was nice. Everything is paid inside, so I don't know what the ticket is for. Which is why, huh?
Gondola.
गंडोला के लिए टिकट है आई थिंक 5,000 रुपए, 5,000-5,500 रुपए.
This one.
God, Anvita, don't make me do it. This is the ride that Anvita wants to go in next. We'll go. I think we'll go. अकेले अकेले बैठना है.
नहीं double B.
Okay, ठीक है. We'll go in this one. How excited! हाँ. हमें ऑप्शन मिला था to get 2 beers and French fries. We chose to get it in our ticket itself. There is a dinner as well. Let's see. They have said that we will reach our hotel by 7 p.m. So I hope we get to have dinner as well. और अच्छा हो, है ना? अच्छा लगा experience? Very good. I'll have the beer now. There's a nice fountain-like thing.
Correct.
Look, Nangu people everywhere. Stop looking. Which this is not Nangu. That is Nangu. God has been kind to us. Most likely we are getting to do the boating also. कल यहाँ पे पूरा पानी भरा हुआ था. आज पानी कम है काफी हद तक. But it is still like 1 या 2 lanes अभी भी पानी भरा हुआ है. But वो लोगों ने boating शुरू कर दिया है. So trying to do that. I don't think we'll get that entire dreamy sequence of boating. But whatever it is, we'll try and enjoy.